Welcome to Maths Genius. Today we will be covering an important topic in the maths portion. Today we will have a look at some of the things that are relevant to the statistical perspective, and in stats we will have a look probability, right? And how the whole scenario works in probability. That's the thing we are looking for. So probability topics and the whole branching and the tree system, right? It's not tree diagram, it's a tree system that we are talking about. Okay, so the first step is always performing a random experiment. And why a random experiment? Because as we know that statistics is a process of data collection, compilation, etc. Right? So how we will collect data? We are performing a random experiment, right? From that random experiment we are constructing a sample space, right? In that sample space there will be events, right? For example, rolling of a dice, right? So in rolling of a dice there are events like 4, 5, 6, right? So this is the sample space. Each individual item is the event, right? And for each event we have a probability. So that's how we are calculating probability. Okay, so with the help of a random experiment, we were able to find out a sample space, and in the sample space there were events, and then the probability was found out, right? From the sample space, there is a possible that there can be outcomes, right? And from those outcomes, how we will be able to find the outcomes? We will be able to find the outcomes with the help of a counting rules, right? Counting rules state that what, for example, we are throwing a dice, right? Dice with a coin, right? So DC, right? So dice has a value of 6, right? 6 outcomes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And coin has 2 outcomes, so the total number of outcomes will become 12, right? So this is the total number of outcomes. Then we will define a criteria. The criteria would be, for example, for each outcome, right? You will be given, like for each head, you will be given like rupees $100 for each head, right? For a tail, you have to pay minus $50, etc. Okay, now you have to convert it into a numerical form, right? Numerical, it means that now you are coming to the part where the computation will take place. From that numeric thing you will derive a random variable, right? So now random variable over here in this example would be the payoffs, right? The money that you receive, right? It will be the payoff. From that you will construct a PDF or a probability distribution. Right, from that point you will be constructing a probability distribution, and we will have a look at what a probability distribution looks like, and then we will be finding the expectation of it, right? Expectation is E of x. Okay, now if you look at the events, right, event can be mutually exclusive. Mutually exclusive are those with non-overlapping, right? Non-overlapping part. It means that nothing is common. So if I am showing you two events, right? These are two events, right? A and B. So these are mutually exclusive events because there is nothing common in between. Okay, and the other type of events are non-mutually exclusive. Non-mutually exclusive events, right? And one of the types is independent events. Okay, and the other is dependent conditional probability. Okay, that's the end of the session. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video, and subscribe my channel for more videos and updates.